Hello engineers, smartphones have become smart, and now charging is smarter too. Meet our unique wireless charger, fast, seamless, and universally compatible. Adapter or power bank, ready to run anywhere. The moment we connect the cable, the device comes to life. You can clearly see the LED glowing, indicating a successful connection and ready to use wireless charging. Now, let's place the smartphone on the wireless charger and see how it performs. As you can see, the device starts charging smoothly and efficiently. We've tested this setup multiple times under different conditions, and every single time it has delivered reliable performance. The charging process remains stable, consistent, and works exactly as intended. We ordered this through SMT services, and now the package has finally arrived. Inside, there are circuits for our upcoming project as well. This is just the beginning of something exciting we're going to build. Stay tuned as we turn these circuits into a real working innovation. Here we have a wireless charging circuit from SMT services. There are many companies around the world that provide SMT manufacturing. If you're interested, feel free to comment and ask us anything. This product is designed to be compact, yet highly durable. Our engineering team has carefully developed the advanced SMT circuit, and our PCB engineers have precisely designed the layout for fast charging performance. Every detail reflects our engineers' expertise, ensuring high efficiency, stability, and long-lasting, reliable performance. Now we just need to install a capacitor here. You can see how well this design has been engineered, as only a single component placement is required in this section. Our team has achieved a clean and efficient SMT layout. We are also working on several upcoming projects with the same focus on advanced SMT services and precise PCB design. Now we will install the coil, which plays an important role in charging your cell phone efficiently. This inductor ensures stable current flow and better power management. It is carefully soldered to the PCB for a strong and reliable hold. Our engineers have selected high-quality components and precise SMT placement to ensure durability, safety, and consistent fast charging performance. Now we are working on the outer body, which we have crafted using wood. Every wooden piece you see is laser cut with incredible precision. The cleaner the cut, the tighter the joints, creating a flawless fit, stronger structure, and a premium finish in every detail. As you can see, the cell phone fits perfectly inside this frame. A dedicated hole has been designed to properly accommodate the coil, and the coil is securely placed in position. We have also used transparent tape for clean insulation and protection. In the circuit, double tape has been applied for better fixing and stability, and reliable performance in every detail. Now we will fully assemble the body using superglue, applying it carefully without any compromise. This strong bonding ensures the structure stays tightly fixed and increases overall durability. Once assembled, the body becomes more stable and long-lasting, helping the device perform reliably even with regular use. Every step is done with precision to ensure a strong and clean final build. If you need any information about this project, you can comment on our Instagram ID. We will provide you with complete details. Now we add the paper layer. Our portable wireless charger is now fully assembled and ready to use. The wood frame fits perfectly around the phone's camera cutout, and our device coil is precisely aligned with the phone's charging coil for a perfect fit. Our wireless charger is truly portable, and we tested it once in a car to check its performance. The device worked smoothly and delivered reliable charging results, showing that our design is practical, efficient, and ready for everyday use. Here's your challenge. Do this today and comment "done" below. Also, tell me how you liked this video. If it helped you, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more amazing content. Goodbye, engineers.